Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of the most talked about travel rewards card out there, the Capital One Venture X Rewards credit card. If you've been searching for a premium travel credit card that gives you luxury benefits without the crazy high annual fee of other elite cards, this one might just be it. In this video, we'll unpack everything you need to know and a balanced conclusion on why many people call it the best travel card in 2025. The Capital One Venture X is the Capital One's answer to high-end travel cards like the Amex Platinum and the Chase Sapphire Reserve, but at a much accessible price. This card is designed for people who want premium travel benefits, strong rewards on every purchase, and simple redemption options without the overwhelming complexity or sky-high fees that come with luxury cards. So what is the Venture X all about? It's a travel rewards credit card that earns miles on every purchase, offers flexible ways to redeem those miles, includes airport lounge access, annual travel credits, and even anniversary bonuses. The magic of the Venture X is its balance. It gives you serious traveler perks, but also keeps things simple for everyday spending. You don't need to memorize category bonuses or chase complicated redemptions. Just spend, earn, and redeem. If you travel a few times a year and you're looking for a card that combines rewards, travel credits, and premium perks without breaking the bank, this is a card worth paying attention to. Now let us talk about the main features of the Capital One Venture X Rewards card. There's a welcome bonus when you open the card. You get a generous offer, around 75,000 bonus miles after you spend 4,000 on purchases within the first 3 months from account opening. That's roughly $750 in travel value, and it can cover flights, hotels, or car rentals. It's a great way to start your journey with this card. There's also 10,000 miles, which is given as an anniversary bonus. You get 10,000 bonus miles, which is equal to $100 toward travel every year, starting on your first anniversary of acquiring the card. There's also a $300 annual travel credits, which you receive for bookings through Capital One Travel, where you get one of the best prices on thousands of options. And of course, the global entry or TSA pre-check credit of $120. Let us talk about the rewards. You earn 10 times miles on hotels and car rentals that are booked through Capital One Travel. You earn 5 times miles on flights and vacation rentals that are booked through Capital One Travel, and 2 times miles on all other purchases every day. How about the airport lounge access? You get unlimited access to Capital One lounges and Priority Pass lounges worldwide. These are all amazing features. Now, what is the pricing of the card like? The card costs $395 annually. At first glance, it's not cheap, but when you factor the $300 annual travel credits, the $120 global entry or TSA pre-check credits, the 10,000 miles anniversary bonus, these are all amazing. What are the pros and cons of using this card? First, the pros. High rewards rates. You earn 2 miles per dollar on everything, 5 times on flights, and 10 times on hotels and car rentals. Premium travel perks. Lounge access, annual travel credits, and global entry and TSA credits. Flexible redemptions as well. It's easy to use for travel or transfer to airline and hotel partners. It has a strong value for price because it's much cheaper than other premium travel cards with similar benefits. And there are no reported foreign transaction fees, which means it's perfect for international travelers. And the earning structure is pretty simple. How about the cons? The benefits mostly depends on travel frequency. If you rarely travel, you won't use the perks enough to justify the fee. And the credits only apply through Capital One Travel. You have to book through their portal to get the full rewards and use the $300 credits. So here's the question once again. Why do many travelers consider the Venture X one of the best travel rewards card of 2025? Because it hits that perfect balance between value, benefits, and simplicity. It gives you premium level travel perks, lounge access, annual credits, elite car rental status, and no foreign fees. And it's simple to use because it rewards every purchase and gives you strong flexibility when redeeming your miles. It's ideal for those who want a premium experience without paying a premium price. And that's it on the review of Capital One Venture X. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Chase Sapphire Reserve, American Express Platinum Card, and Capital One Venture Rewards Credit Card. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.